So now let's talk about viruses. So what are viruses? We all know virus, but if we were going to distinguish between viruses and other types of malwares, I would tell you that a virus is something that needs a host program. That is, it needs something to install the malware and to install the bomb. So in our first case we have a program that is installed. In our second case, the email attachment, the Excel sheet actually works as an host program for our virus. And in our third case we obviously have a host, that is the crack that we are going to install, that we are actually installing. So the file that modifies the registries and patches the system is actually a virus, can be considered as a virus. And in the next video we'll be talking about trojans